everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and today I'm going to scrapbook these 3 photos of my grandsons, and they're playing. It was M number 2's birthday in 2021, and they're playing a new video game that he had gotten, and they were just totally absorbed, and it was just cute to see them playing together. So I put the photos down, those 2 photos down, on some blue paper from Doodlebug Petite Prints in blue jean gingham linen, which is one of my favorite blues. And then I'm going to use that stripe paper. It's really bright, as kind of the frame around this kind of, it's a green paper, kind of an aqua-y, almost green paper. The stripe paper is Photoplay Jurassic. It's a T-Rex paper. And then that paper on top of it, with all the kind of squiggles and lines, is from Photoplay Boys Rule, and it's the Mr. Awesome paper. Then I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do with that other picture, if I was going to use it, but I kind of liked the way they were in it together and both absorbed in the play. So I mounted it back on that Petite Prints in the blue jean gingham linen. And I have that 3x4 card that says Boys Rule, which ends up being the title of this layout. That is from Simple Stories Little Dude 3x4 Elements. That's an older collection, so you won't be able to get it. And now it's just, how am I going to place these on the paper there? And I like how that looks. Now I had 2 gaming, I don't know what they are, but they're gaming controllers. That's what I wanted, from 2 different collections, and they've been sitting in my stash for quite a while, so I decided I was definitely using them on this layout. So the gray gaming stickers from Simple Stories Little Dude, the combo cardstock stickers, that's off to the left right now. And then there's this yellow, or this kind of goldy yellow one, which is in a couple of places on this layout in different shades. That and all the other stickers that I'm going to use are from the Echo Park A Boy's Life Element stickers. So I'll add that big one up there just because there's room for it. And then I'm going to add this gray one down here. And then I'm looking at, again, that Echo Park A Boy's Life. I've got you can't see it, but I have the sticker sheet off to the left. I found this orange star sticker, so I thought that would be nice to kind of balance out how much smaller it is from the gold one at the top. So that, I like how that looks. And then I found a couple smaller star stickers here. So I'm going to add those into the top there, again, because they're stars. I'm just trying to figure out, okay, where do I go? What else do I do? So I'm going back through the Simple Stories Little Dude 4x6 stickers there, and there are some word phrase stickers, and I kind of looked to see what I could find there, if there were any phrases that would work. And that phrase, which says "not bragging, just swagging," I thought was cute because they're, playing a game there. So just wanted to see if there was anything else that was maybe shorter, longer, I don't remember. And then I found this other one that said "the cool kid just showed up." So, they're being kind of cool playing the game. So I guess using up supplies, right? And it was appropriate. So I had not inked this paper at all, and I wanted it to stand out from the edge of the stripe paper because that stripe paper is so busy. That's my Memento Dewdrop ink in gray flannel. If you watch my channel, you know what that is because I use it all the time, and I'm trying to be careful so that I don't mess up and get ink on the stripe paper there, because I'm living a little dangerously here since that's already glued down. And I think I managed not to get ink on that striped paper. Okay, just getting that glued down. That was sticking up a little bit too much for my taste. And again, just thinking, see, are you seeing me, I tap my fingers there because I was looking to see what I could do next. I found that star sticker from another set. And then I looked back and I found 2 more stickers from the Little Dude, or not the Little Dude, the Boys Life sticker sheet. So I put those on the bottom down by the controller. So I like how that all looks now. Kind of toying with that sticker there, but it just feels like it's sticking. It's like says playtime. It just feels like it's sticking out and has no reason for being. So I'm going to put that back on the sheet and not use that. Okay, so I can't figure out anything else to do, so I'm finally going to go grab my enamel dots, and I'll grab the Doodlebug sprinkles in the limeade color. And then thinking about an aqua as well, but trying to grab them. I went through my Altenew, and so now I'm going to go through my other enamel dots. I'm toying with all my smaller packages. I'm thinking about separating them by colorway, because really enough of my supplies other than like my Altenew enamel dots are old enough that you wouldn't be able to get them anyway, at least not readily available. And I think I really tend to think in colorway of enamel dots. So if I have them by collection, I just don't use them. So now if I have like a collection where I put the Doodlebug enamel dots in, I try to use them up before I start separating the collection, because otherwise they get lost. And and then I have like one enamel dot in pink, and then that way, even if I wanted to do multiple colors on my layout, it would still be pretty easy for me to find them. So that's something I've seen quite a few people do that, and I'm really toying with doing it myself. I just haven't totally made that commitment yet. We'll see. All right, you guys, there's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.